Hey, so this is pretty annoying. This replace filter just keeps on blinking and blinking and blinking. I should probably do something about it. So what I got is an LG fridge. You know, you can see that now about there. And I bought some filters online that were at a really discounted rate. Yeah, I went to this place called discountfilters.com and I got 3 filters for about the price of like 3/4 of what one filter would have been if I would have gone to like the local store where I bought the fridge. So what you want to do with one of these inexpensive filters is take one and open it up. You want to bring that thing out and you notice it's wrapped in all that tight cellophane. Like, what are we gonna do with that? Well, for one, I mean, you could just like rip it open. Yeah, kind of like that. I push the button and bring it down. Well, I need that to come down. And if I bring it all the way down, oh, look at that, it falls out. That's so nice. But now I gotta put the new one in. Is that gonna be just as easy? Put it up in. I need to push. Push. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. While that filter reset is still blinking, I gotta do something, so we'll press and hold. And hopefully, oh yeah, there we go. But there's one more step. The most important part of changing out your water filter is this right here. And you want to make sure to empty at least 2.5 gallons. You know, cause one of those like bad things could happen. Like this could be water from Flint, Michigan or something. So I gotta filter it. I gotta get mad about trying to drain the water out. I gotta get it. Oh yeah, that's nasty.